How's it going, everybody? Let's get into this. So today we're going to talk about the curvature of the globe, okay? And we're going to prove and explain and show how seeing objects at certain distances absolutely debunk the idea that the Earth is a globe, or that we're moving around the sun, or that the heliocentric model is even a real thing, okay? Let's get into this, okay? So, the world record for the long distance photography image ever taken was from a mountain called Finisterraeus, standing at 9,000 feet elevation, overlooking a distance of 275 miles, at a mountain called Ekrins, which stood at 13,000 feet elevation, okay? The globe has a circumference of 25,000 miles, so if you want to find how much it is curved in a certain distance, you would take the mile in that distance and multiply it by itself, and then multiply it by 8, then you would take that number and divide that number by 12 to get the feet in curvature, to get the curvature in feet, okay? In 275 miles, there is 50,000 feet of curvature. In other words, there is a 50,000 foot tall hump between two mountains that are 9,000 and 14,000 feet, okay? The image should be impossible, okay? But what is the explanation for this? They do give an explanation for this. What is it? They say that it is refraction, okay? And when they say that, I don't think they expect you to understand what they're talking about. They just kind of expect us to buy it. What do they mean when they say that it's refraction? What they're saying is you're not really seeing the mountain. You're only seeing the refracted light of the mountain. In other words, you're only seeing a mirage of the mountain. In which case, that picture would not hold the world record because it's not a picture of anything. How does refraction work? You can actually demonstrate how refraction works by sticking a pencil into a glass of water. And you will notice that the refracted image of the pencil is below where the pencil enters the water. Refraction always works by pushing things downwards, never by lifting them up. And are we really to think that refraction always works by placing these objects exactly where we would expect to see them if the Earth were flat? You mean to tell me it never places them any higher or any lower? No. It places them exactly where we'd expect to see them if the Earth were flat. Okay, sure. But here is the slam dunk, the most irrefutable piece of evidence that the Earth doesn't curve, okay? A company called Exalt used a dish-to-dish microwave transmission. They set the world record for the dish-to-dish microwave transmission. Microwave transmissions work by line of sight, okay? Over a distance of 146 miles across water, okay? In 146 miles, that other dish should have been at least 14,000 feet beneath the curve. It should have been impossible. You can just look this up. You could look it up. Exalt set the world record for the longest distance line of sight microwave transmission. 14,000 feet below the curve, absolutely impossible. It doesn't matter how big the Earth is. If you made the Earth 10 times bigger than it is now, that would still be an impossible transmission. So, it's things like this that absolutely destroy the idea that the Earth is a globe or that it's round or anything like that. A lot of people, when they hear about this stuff, they'll ask, well, why would they hide it? Okay, there's a lot of reasons about why they would lie to us. A lot of reasons. Okay, I'll get into that in another video. But you know what? I challenge you to come up with a reasonable explanation for how this microwave transmission was possible on a globe. I challenge you to do that because I'm sorry, but it's just not going to happen. Anyways, if you have a rebuttal to this, please shoot it in the comments. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.